Last year, a leak of the upcoming Cherry devices surfaced, and today, they're officially here. Cherry has launched not just one, but two new devices, the Aqua GR and the Aqua S11 Pro. For now, we'll be taking a closer look at this, the Cherry Aqua GR. I'm Jose from Yugatech, and join us as we do a quick hands-on of the new Cherry Aqua GR. The Cherry Aqua GR comes in this sleek pure white box packaging. In front, the Cherry logo is prominently displayed alongside the Aqua GR name with its striking glitter typeface on the lower left. Flip the box over and you'll find the highlighted specs along with the headline tag, powerful AI 5G chipset, 108 megapixel ultra high definition AI camera. Upon opening the box, we'll find a neatly packed device along with some essential accessories. The package includes a free jelly case, a SIM ejector, a quick start guide, a Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and a 66-watt fast charger. There's also included a Type-C earphone with a button. Now that we've got the phone out of the box, the new Cherry Aqua GR features a different design language compared to the ones we're used to. It's unlike the usual Cherry mobile device we've seen in the last couple of years. And overall, the design change is refreshing since it's a very new direction compared to before. Now moving on to the display, there's a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2400 by 1080. Cherry even gave it up to 120Hz refresh rate with a base of 60Hz. There is a setting to set it to dynamic which automatically adjusts from 60 to 120. So up top, we can also see the punch-out cut hole that houses the 16 megapixel selfie front camera. Here, you'll also notice that Cherry has joined the party for Capsule or Dynamic Island this feature, calling it Dynamic Capsule. Yes, they actually called it Dynamic Capsule. Anyway, there is a catch though. The Dynamic Capsule is actually an app called Dynamic Box, Dynamic Island by Dobes Mobile. Cherry probably partnered with the app developer for them to integrate it onto this device. Now, going back to Dynamic Capsule, it even has a dedicated setting that by default will show the status of battery charging, Bluetooth connected device, ring notification, audio recording, FM radio, and music playback. The good news is it also works with Spotify and YouTube Music, and I think even YouTube Premium if you are currently subscribed to it. Now, additionally, the display also has a curved edge similar to the Honor X9 B. There's also a fingerprint sensor baked into the center bottom. The right side has the volume rockers and the power button in a glossy textured position, slightly offset center but well blended into the side glossy frame. The top of the phone has a secondary mic for noise cancellation while the left is just left plain. At the bottom, you'll see the dual 5G nano SIM card slot with no expansion card for micro SD. And you'll also find the main microphone along with the USB-C port and the mono loudspeaker. Now let's move on to where this device really shines. As mentioned earlier, Cherry didn't follow the usual camera module trend that we see with most mid-tier smartphones. Instead, they tried to do something different, as you can see here. As you'll see, the 50 megapixel main shooter is located in the dead center with two lenses beside it. The one on the right is the 8 megapixel ultra wide, while the one on the left is a 2 megapixel depth map camera. They also added dual tone flash at the bottom. It's different from what we're used to seeing, so it's a refreshing touch. Nice one, Cherry. Moving on from the camera, you'll also see that the back features a minimalist design with a sparkle matte finish texture, which is less prone to fingerprints and smudges. And at the bottom, you just get the small Cherry logo. Overall, the build quality feels premium and it's comfortable to hold thanks to its curved edges both front and back. Under the hood, the Cherry Aqua GR is powered by a 2.6 GHz octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 7050 paired with 8 GB of RAM that can be expanded by an additional 8 GB. Plus, it has 256 GB of UFS 2.2 internal storage. In terms of battery, it packs a 4700 mAh battery pack with a quick charging feature, but unfortunately, it doesn't have any wireless or reverse charging capabilities. In terms of software, the Cherry Aqua GR is running on Android 13 with a custom UI. But the great thing here is, there is no bloatware. Instead, there are only a handful of built-in custom apps like Change Wallpaper, Cleanup Acceleration, Flashlight, and Let's Case. We will dive more into details about this phone's capability, performance, and software features in our full review, which will be coming out in a couple of days. But for now, here are our initial benchmark results. And that's about it for our Cherry Aqua GR hands-on. but we will dive more into the nitty-gritty details of this device in the full review, which is coming soon. There's still a lot more to cover, from the camera quality, battery life, gaming performance, software features, and many more. If you are interested, the Cherry Aqua GR is now on sale and available for only 11,999 pesos at Shopee and Lazada, which we will link down below. But for now, what do you think of the new Cherry Aqua GR? Is this the comeback of Cherry in the smartphone scene? Let us know in the comment sections, and we would love to know your thoughts and the things you want to see on this device. And again, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more. Also, follow us on our social media channels: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews, including the review of this phone. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll catch you guys next time.